Standard 7th Maths, Chapter 3 HCF and LCM. Practice set 14. Question 1. Choose the right option. First sum. The HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. There are 4 options: 30, 45, 20 or 120. Your solution is A, 30. And how do we get that? First, find the factors of 120 and 150. Find the HCF by multiplying the common factors. That is 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So, we come to know that the HCF of 120 and 150 is 30. Second sum, the HCF of this pair of number is not 1. The pairs are 13, 17, second, 19, 20, third, 40, 20, and fourth, 14, 15. Solution: the answer is C, 40, 20. How do we get that? Find the factors of 40 and 20. Then find the HCF by multiplying the common factors. And we come to know that the factors of 40 and 20 which are in common are 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20 is the HCF. Means 1 is not their HCF. Hence the correct option is 3. Whereas if you see the other 3 options, the HCF is only 1. 13, 17, both are prime numbers, the HCF is 1. 29, 20, HCF is 1. Only 1 is the common factor. And last one, 14, 15, common factor is only 1. So, 40, 20 is your answer, whose HCF is not 1. Question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM of the following 5 questions which is given to you. Let's solve them one by one. First, 14, 28. 2 sevens are 14, 2 14s are 28, 7 ones are 7, and 7 twos are 14. So we find the common factors. They come on the left side. So we write down HCF is equal to 2 into 7 equals to 14. Now for LCM, we take the common factors from the left column and the bottom row as well. So 2 into 7 into 2 is equal to 28 is the LCM. Second sum, we have to find HCF and LCM of 32 and 16. So first, let's find the factors. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again, third step, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. And fourth step, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So HCF is equal to multiply all the common factors on the left. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. And LCM is equal to the common factors into the bottom row. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 32. Third sum, we have now 3 numbers here whom we have to factorize. So 17 ones are 17, 17 6 are 102, and 17 tens are 170. Now there is no common factor for all 3 numbers, but 2 numbers we have a common factor, that is 6 and 10 can be divided by common factor 2. So it comes under common factor. 2 ones are 1 remains as it is. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now HCF is equal to 17 only, because HCF is the number factor which has divided all three numbers. So remember, when finding HCF of three numbers, we have to take common factor of all three as the highest common factor. Now LCM is equal to the common factor 17 into the common factor 2 and the bottom row into 3 into 5, which gives us 510. Fourth sum, 2369. So let's find the factors. 23 ones are 23, 23 threes are 69. So HCF is equal to 23, which is on the left, and LCM is equal to the left into the bottom row. 23 into 3 equals 69. Sum number 5. Again, we have three numbers here and we have to factorize them. Let's find out the common factor first. So 7 will be able to divide all three. So first we will divide, or we will factorize these numbers by 7. 7 threes are 21, 7 sevens are 49, 7 twelves are 84. Now 7 cannot be divided by a common factor, it's a prime number. 3 and 12 can be divided by 3 itself. So let's start 3. 3 ones are 3, 7 as it is, 3 fours are 12. You can write down 7 ones are 7 and bring 1 and 4 as it is. But we leave it here since there are no common factors left. We can find the LCM and we already have the HCF. So HCF is equal to the only common factor of all three, that is 7. And LCM is equal to 7 into the common factor of two numbers, that is 3, into the leftover 7 into 4. So you can arrange them properly from smaller number to bigger number to multiply 3 into 4 into 7 into 7, or directly multiply and find the answer 588. Question number 3. Find the LCM. First sum, 36, 42. You have 5 sums altogether. Let's see the first one. We find the factors of 36 and 42 and we get them as 2, 3, 2 as the common factors. And the leftovers are 3 and 7. Here we don't have to find HCF. So we directly find LCM of 36 and 42 is equal to the left side 2 into 3 into 2 into the bottom row 3 into 7, which gives us 252. So finding LCM, you have already learned in the previous practice set. You have to follow the same steps. Now we have to find the LCM of 15, 25 and 30. Common factor 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. Then common factor 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 comes down as it is, 3 twos are 6. Therefore, LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is equal to 5, which is a common factor of all three, into 3, which is a common factor of two numbers, into 5 into 2. This gives us answer 150. Eighteen, 42, 48. All three numbers are easily divisible by 2. So we start 2 nines are 18, 2 21s are 42, 2 24s are 48. Then 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Now 3, 7, 8. 3 is not divisible further, 7 is not divisible further, but 8 we can divide by 2. So we don't leave it as it is, we find the further factors. 2 fours are 8. 3 and 7 we bring down as it is. Then 4 can be divisible by 2, so 2 twos are 4. Therefore, LCM of 18, 42 and 48 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2. That is the left column into the bottom row is equal to 1008. Fourth sum, 4, 12, 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Again these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Therefore LCM of 4, 12 and 20 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 into the bottom row, 3 into 5. This gives us 60. Fifth sum, we have four numbers to be factorized: 24, 40, 80 and 120. All are even numbers, so we can divide them by 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 20s are 40, 2 40s are 80, 2 60s are 120. Again they are divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 20s are 40, 2 30s are 60. Again, they are divisible by 2. So we continue. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, and 2 15s are 30. Now, we can see that 3 will not be divisible, but 5, 10, and 50 will be divisible by 5 itself. So, we bring down 3 as it is, and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now, the second last row that we got is 3, 1, 2 and 3 are left. So 3 is a common factor in two places. So let's divide that. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 2 as it is. Again 3 1s are 3. Now we can find the LCM. LCM of 24, 40, 80 and 120 is equal to, multiply all the left side column, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, and the bottom row 2 is there, so into 2. This gives us 240. Question 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So the smallest number tells us we have to find the least common multiple, LCM. Remember the clue, smallest word, we have to go for least. Greatest, HCF, highest. So first we will find LCM, and once we get the LCM, we have to add 5. Then only that number will be obtained, which will give a remainder of 5 every time. So let's do this. Question 4. LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 is given by, see the factors on the left side, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. All these are the factors obtained after we factorize these numbers. Okay, it's very simple. You have already learned it. Even numbers divisible by 2, then further by 3, then again by 2, 3, 5. Okay, so the answer you got is 360. But we want a remainder 5. So we will add 5 to this number, 360 plus 5. Hence, 365 is the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So, here if we would have not added 5 to 360, after dividing by these numbers there would be remainder would be 0. So, our question tells us you want a remainder to be 5. So we added 5 to 360 and the number obtained is 365, which is our answer. Question 5. Reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. There are 3 sums. Let's do the first one. You have learned this in the previous practice set too. So divide the smaller number, the greater number by the smaller numbers. That is 348 is divided by 319. 319 ones are 319. Remainder 29. 319 divided by 29 again. Now 29 ones are 11s are 319. Remainder 0. So we come to know the HCF of 348 and 319 is 29. So divide both the numbers by 29 and you get the fraction. You answer 12 upon 11. Second sum, 247 divided by 221. 221 ones are 221, remainder 26. 26 eights are 208, remainder 13. 13 twos are 26, remainder 0. So 13 is the HCF of 22, 221 and 247. 221 upon 247 divided by 13 each gives us 17 upon 19. Third sum, 551 divided by 437. 437 ones are 437, remainder 114. 114 threes are 342, remainder 95. 95 ones are 95, remainder 19. 19 fives are 95, remainder 0. So HCF of 437 and 551 is equal to 19. 437 upon 551 is equal to 437 divided by 19 upon 551 divided by 19. This is equal to 23 upon 29. Question 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? Here we have LCM as 432, HCF is given as 72, and one number is given which is 216, and we have to find the other number. So how can we solve this? There's a method. We already know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. So let's see. Solution. Here LCM is equal to 432, HCF is equal to 72, and first number is equal to 216. These three values are given to us. And the formula that we are using here is first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. First number we have 216 into second number we don't know, so we write it second number is equal to LCM, we write as substitute the value 432 into HCF value 72. Now therefore second number is equal to 432 into 72 upon 216. 216 was multiplied on the left hand side, we shifted to right hand side, it becomes division. So this is equal to 432 into 72 upon 216. We are going to solve 72 upon 216. We get the factor 1 upon 3. So 432 into 1 upon 3 on further solving, the answer we get is 144. You have to divide. Therefore, the other number is 144. So you have to remember that first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. This formula we are going to use in the other sums as well. Question 7. The product of two two-digit numbers is 765 and the HCF is 3. What is the LCM? Now here we have the product, not separate numbers, first number, second number, no. The product is only given. So one left hand side answer we already have. And right hand side we want to multiply HCF into LCM. HCF is given 3. So LCM can be found out. So let's see the solution. Here HCF is equal to 3. Product of the given numbers is equal to 765. Now HCF into LCM is equal to product of the given numbers. Therefore, HCF value we substitute as 3 into LCM we don't know, so we write LCM as it is equal to product of the given numbers is 765, so we write equals to 765. Therefore, LCM is equal to 765 upon 3 is equal to, you divide it and find out, you get the answer 255. Therefore, the LCM of the two two-digit numbers is 255. Question number 8. A trader has three bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter, and 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of string that the bundles can be put up into without any leftover string? So here we have to find the greatest length of string, that means HCF. Yes, greatest highest common factor. So greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string. So here we have to find HCF. We need not add anything to it because we don't want any remainders. So let's see how we can solve this sum. The greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string is given by the HCF of 392, 308 and 490. So you find the HCF, the common factor is 2. 2 196 are 392, 2 154s are 308 and 245s are 490. Now the common factor we get is 7. 728s are 196, 722s are 154 and 735s are 245. So the HCF is equal to the left side common factors we multiply. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Hence, the greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string is 14 meter. So you have got your final answer, the HCF 14 meter. Last sum, question number 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Let's see this sum. LCM of two consecutive even numbers we want to be 180. But HCF we know that the HCF of two consecutive even numbers is equal to 2. So now product of the given number is equal to HCF into LCM is the formula that we have used in the previous sums also. So same we are going to use here. The product of the given number is equal to 2. The HCF is 2 into LCM is 180. So 2 into 180 is equal to 360. To find the two consecutive even numbers, we have to factorize now 360. Because we know that the product is 360. So which are those two numbers? We will factorize and find out. And they have to be consecutive even numbers. So the factors of 360 you have to find out by whichever method you find useful to you or easy. So 360 factors we have got here. We arrange them in such a manner that when grouped, we can get the factors 18 into 20. So 2 into 3 into 3 gives us 18. 2 into 2 into 5 gives us 20. 18 into 20 is 360 and 18, 20 are the two consecutive even numbers. So a final answer, the two consecutive even numbers whose LCM is 180 are 18 and 20. So we are done with the practice set 14. I hope you have followed the sums. Do practice them well in your book. So stay safe, keep learning, and thank you.